So welcome to the project demonstration of hand crank dynamo based energy generation system for energy emergency headlamp applications for mining workers. So here this is the headlamp we're getting power supply from the battery. So as we know that if the time goes then the battery will get discharged. So in order to recharge this we need to provide the external source to recharge that. So there are the two ways. One is the 230 volts power supply to recharge the battery, and there is any like renewable sources or non-renewable sources. So instead of carrying the solar panel, because the mining workers they work on the undergrounds, so that they don't get the solar power, and the recharging is complex from the solar panel. So in order to provide the alternate charger, we place the dynamo here. So here we are using the DC dynamo, which will act as a DC generator directly. So it has a gear ratio. 2400 is a base generator, and from this we are going to reduce the gear ratio from here to there. So means 60 rpm is the output. So when we rotate that wheel with 60 rotations per minute, the base motor will rotate 2400. So 60 is to 2400, gear increasing is there. So it will generate 12 volts DC output. So in bidirectional, nothing but if it rotates is in clockwise rotation, so it will provide the plus plus, minus minus. If we rotate in anti-clockwise, counterclockwise rotation, it will provide the reverse polarity. In order to correct the polarity, we are making use of this regulated power supply board. So it has a 4 diodes which will act as a bridge rectifier. Means if we give the actual bridge rectifier purpose is to convert AC to DC, means alternating current to direct current. So when we are rotating in clockwise rotation, it will provide DC only, but when you changing the direction, the polarity changes. So in order to correct the polarity, means input is plus minus or minus plus, but the output is plus to plus and minus to minus. So that's why we are using this regulated power supply as a polarity corrector when we are providing the input from this DC dynamo. So after that we can see the two diodes. So the two diodes purpose is they will act as now unidirectional current flow. So here these 4 diodes are in this model, so like for the dynamo, so they are acting as a polarity corrector, and these two diodes act as a unidirectional current flow. Means whenever the battery is fully charged, so it will become the high potential one, and if the dynamo is not rotating, then it will become the low potential. So in order to block the current flow from the battery to the dynamo, so we are using these two diodes as unidirectional current flow. As you know that diodes will conduct only in forward bias. In reverse bias they won't allow the current from this side to the reverse side. And this LED will show the status of the battery generator voltage from the dynamo. So we can see if it rotates in this direction also, it will provide the output voltage of 12 volts maximum. And if we change the direction also in counterclockwise, so we are getting the voltage. Means that polarity was corrected after this bridge rectifier circuit. And if you want to charge a battery from the transformer, just connect this transformer plug to the 230 volts AC input. The transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and here these diodes will act as a bridge rectifier, nothing but to convert the AC to pulsating DC. To remove the pulses, this capacitor will make that pulsating DC to smooth DC, and from there to same 2 diodes output to the battery directly. So here we are using the 2 sources to charge a battery. Whenever the supply is available to recharge the battery, just we can use the transformer. So when there is no power supply is available, just by using this mechanical energy, we are going to convert that to the electrical energy, and that will be stored in the 12 volts battery. So here the battery ratings are 12 volt 1 amp. So we can see 3 batteries are connected in series. So means one battery is of 4 volt 1 amp, and we are connected them as 3 in series. So we will get 12 volt 1 amp DC output. So for the utilization of the charged voltage inside the battery, so this is on off switch to make the headlights to on and off. So on this we can see 3 LEDs are in series, and these 3 sets are in parallel. So means 12 volts input to these LEDs. So these 3 LEDs in parallel, sorry in series. So we are going to dividing the voltage, and here these 3 are in parallel. So we will get the current equal there, right?